Cancer. Cancer is one of the most dreaded diseases of humans, and is a major cause of death. Uncontrolled growth, and division of certain tissue, forming tumor, is called cancer. It is more common in people of age 40 to 60 years. The word cancer is derived from Greek word karkinos, which means crab, and Latin word cancrum, which also means crab. There are over 100 different types of cancers. The original cancer cell breaks off, and moves through the body, usually in lymph and blood, to start a new growth elsewhere. This process is called metastasis. Types of tumor. All the tumors are not cancerous tumors. On the basis of spread, tumors are of two types: benign tumors and malignant tumors. Benign tumors remains confined to affected organ, while malignant tumors spreads from one organ to another. Growth rate of benign tumor is slow, while that of malignant is rapid. Metastasis does not occur in benign cases, but does occur in patients with malignant tumors. Benign tumors are usually harmless, except for the brain and liver tumor, while all malignant tumors are usually harmful. Benign tumors can be removed surgically, while in malignant, tumors cannot be surgically removed, except for some cancers. Types of cancer. 1. Carcinomas. These are cancers of epithelial lining of organs. These are characterized by cells that cover internal and external part of body. It includes cancers of stomach, lungs, breast, and colon. 85% of cancers are carcinomas. 2. Sarcomas. These are cancers of connective tissue, and organs of mesodermal origin. It includes cancers of cartilage, bones, and muscles. 1% of cancers are sarcomas. Osteoma is the cancer of bones. 3. Lymphomas. These are cancers of excess production of lymphocytes by spleen and lymph nodes. For example, lymphosarcoma and Hodgkin's disease, that is, cancer of lymph nodes. 4. Leukemia. It is a cancer of excess production of all types of WBCs and immature WBCs. For example, blood cancer. It decreases RBC count and increases WBC count up to 2,000 to 1 million per cubic millimeter of blood. 5. Adenomas. It is a cancer that arises in the thyroid gland, pituitary gland, the adrenal gland, and other glandular tissues. Oncology is the study of all aspects of these cancer cells, or tumors, and its treatment. Carcinogenic agents are radiations. For example, X-rays, UV rays, and gamma rays. Addictions, like alcoholism, viruses, parasites, chemicals, and genetic factor. Some symptoms of cancer are changes in bowel and bladder, a sore that does not heal, unusual bleeding or discharge from any body opening, thickening of lump in any part of body, indigestion or difficulty in swallowing, obvious changes in wart or mole, nagging cough or hoarseness. Treatment: surgery to remove cancerous part, or the tumor. Radiation therapy. Ionizing radiations burns, kills, or destroys the cancerous cell. Chemotherapy. Hormonal therapy. Combined therapy. Bone marrow transplant. Gene therapy.